So I'm going to be showing you guys a cool trick for how you can make the keyboard bigger on the Motorola Razr Plus. Now, I'm going to pull up the keyboard so you can see the size it is now, and it's actually pretty small. And to make it bigger, all you're going to want to do is hold on the back of your home screen somewhere and click the option that says Personalize. Now, when you click on Personalize, you're going to see another option down here where it's got font sizes. And basically, what you can do here is make everything bigger. So check this out. Now, when you slide both these options over to the right, it's going to, jumbo size your keyboard. All right, check it out. Now, the keyboard's basically taking up almost half of the screen, pretty close to it. And then obviously, if you want to switch it back, you just hold on the home screen, click Personalize, go back to the font option, then you could slide these over and adjust it. You could obviously make the keyboard smaller if you want as well, but I think for most of us, making a little bit bigger will definitely help you out a little bit more. Okay, I also want to point out you guys can get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this one, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.